Hello friends, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today we came back with another recruitment which is TSPSC Physical Director job notification. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. If you want to apply for TSPSC Physical Director, link has been provided in the description. You can go through it. For more details regarding TSPSC Physical Director job notification, go through this entire video. Let's see the overview of TSPSC Physical Director job notification. The organization which has provided this notification is Telangana State Public Service Commission and post is Physical Director. There are 128 vacancies in this notification. Let's see the application dates. Application starting date is 6th January 2023 and you can apply till 26th January 2023. Mode of application is online and official website for this notification is tspsc.gov.in. Let's see the job vacancies. As we discussed in the above, there are 128 vacancies in this notification and they are categorized by 37 vacancies for Physical Director in Technical Education, 91 vacancies for Physical Director in Intermediate Education. Let's see the educational qualification required for above post. Candidates who are willing to apply for Physical Director in Technical Education post must have Master's degree in Physical Education or Master's degree in Physical Education Science or equivalent degree, or candidate must have Master's degree with first class or equal qualification and have cleared the National Eligibility Test which is NET conducted by UGC or CSIR, and candidates who are willing to apply for Physical Director in Intermediate Education must possess post-graduation degree MA, MSc, MCom with a Master's degree in Physical Education from a university in India. Let's see the salary details. Candidates who will be qualified to Physical Director in Technical Educational post will be get a pay scale of 56,100 rupees per month. And candidates who have cleared the NET test will be get a pay scale of 57,700 rupees per month. And candidates who will be qualified to Physical Director in Intermediate Education post will be get a pay scale of 54,220 rupees to 1,33,630 rupees. And while looking to the age limit, candidates with an age limit between 18 and 44 years as on 1st July 2022 are eligible to apply, which means candidates should have minimum of 18 years and should not exceed 44 years. Let's see the selection process. The candidates will be selected on the basis of the written test, and while getting to the application processing fees is 200 rupees and the examination fees is 120 rupees. All unemployed candidates are exempted from the payment of the examination fees, and all employees of any government, center, state, PSUs, corporations, other government sectors have to pay the scrapped examination fees. And candidates who are willing to download the official notification of TSPSC Physical Director post, link has been provided in the description, which will be activated on 6th January 2023. You can go through it or you can check in our official website which is freshersnow.com. We will update as soon as the link will be activated. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.